Looking for a powerful, budget-friendly gasoline chainsaw to tackle your toughest outdoor tasks? We've got you covered! Today, we're breaking down the top 5 affordable chainsaws on Amazon that deliver impressive power, reliability, and performance without breaking the bank. From trimming branches to cutting firewood, these chainsaws are designed to get the job done efficiently and safely. And to make it easy for you, we've included links in the description to check prices or make a purchase. Let's dive in. Starting with the first option, the Inel Gelc. This chainsaw combines durability and performance with its high-quality Oregon blade and chain. Powered by a 41 cubic centimeter engine, it offers a cutting experience that's both powerful and smooth, making it ideal for medium-duty tasks around the yard. The automatic chain lubrication feature ensures the chain stays in great condition, reducing wear and tear and extending the lifespan of the tool. This not only saves you money on replacements, but also ensures consistent performance over time. Plus, its ergonomic handle design provides better grip and comfort, which is perfect for extended use without hand fatigue. You'll appreciate this feature during long work sessions, as it helps to minimize strain on your hands and arms. With its lightweight build, the Inel Gelc is easy to handle and transport, making it an excellent choice for those who need a reliable chainsaw for regular use. Whether you're a homeowner or a weekend warrior looking for a versatile tool to keep your yard in shape, this model offers great value for its price. Moving on to the second option, the Oregon CS1500. This model stands out with its self-sharpening system, a unique feature that allows you to sharpen the chain in just a few seconds, ensuring peak performance at all times. This means less downtime and more productivity, as you won't need to stop frequently to manually sharpen the chain. Powered by a 15-amp motor, it offers enough power to cut through thick logs and branches effortlessly, making it a great choice for both light and heavy-duty applications. The low kickback bar and chain enhance safety during operation, providing added peace of mind, especially for beginners. Additionally, the integrated chain brake adds an extra layer of security, instantly stopping the chain in case of a kickback. The Oregon CS1500 also has an ergonomic design, with a balanced weight distribution that reduces strain on your arms and back, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned professionals alike. This thoughtful design not only improves comfort, but also enhances control, allowing for more precise cuts. Whether you're cutting firewood for the winter or tackling a large outdoor project, this chainsaw has the versatility and power to handle it all. Third on the list is the Husqvarna 122, a brand known for its reliability and quality. This chainsaw is built with a 38 cubic centimeter X-torque engine, which not only delivers powerful performance but also reduces fuel consumption and emissions, making it an environmentally friendly option. This makes it a perfect choice for those who are conscious of their environmental impact but still need a capable and efficient tool. The Husqvarna 122 is designed for ease of use, featuring an air injection system that keeps the air filter clean and extends engine life. This system helps remove larger dust and debris particles before they reach the air filter, resulting in fewer cleanings and longer periods between maintenance. It also has an easy-to-start mechanism, which minimizes the effort needed to get the chainsaw running, a great feature for anyone who dislikes the hassle of starting a cold engine. With its compact and lightweight design, it's ideal for light-duty tasks and is easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. The Husqvarna 122 is perfect for tasks such as pruning, lighter cutting jobs, and hobby work, making it an excellent choice for homeowners and occasional users. Next up is the Husqvarna 6220FH, available exclusively in America. This chainsaw is all about raw power, featuring a 62 cubic centimeter engine that's perfect for heavy-duty cutting tasks like felling large trees and cutting through thick wood. Its powerful performance makes it ideal for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts who need a tool that can handle the toughest jobs. Its sturdy construction and durable materials ensure that it can withstand rigorous use in demanding conditions, providing reliability when you need it most. The Husqvarna 6220FH also comes with a built-in anti-vibration system, which reduces fatigue and enhances comfort during prolonged use, an essential feature when using such a powerful tool. This system helps to absorb shock and minimize hand strain, allowing for longer work sessions with less discomfort. The large fuel tank capacity allows for longer run times, making it an excellent choice for those who need a powerful chainsaw for extended periods without needing to refuel constantly. This feature is particularly beneficial for those working in remote areas where refueling options may be limited. Additionally, the Husqvarna 6220FH features a quick start technology that ensures the chainsaw starts with minimal effort, saving you time and energy on the job. Finally, for our European viewers, we have the GreenCut GS62X. This model features a robust 62 cubic centimeter engine designed for high performance and durability, making it suitable for demanding tasks and professional use. The GreenCut GS62X is equipped with an automatic chain oiler and an easy-access chain tensioner, making maintenance a breeze and ensuring optimal performance at all times. This feature is particularly useful for users who want to spend more time cutting and less time maintaining their equipment. The anti-vibration system and ergonomic handle design provide a comfortable and stable grip, reducing user fatigue during long cutting sessions and making it easier to control the chainsaw in challenging conditions. Its high power output and reliable performance make it a great choice for both home use and professional applications. The GreenCut GS62X is perfect for those who need a robust and versatile tool that can handle a wide range of cutting tasks, from trimming branches to felling trees. Links in the description for prices and details, check them out. To sum it all up, each of these chainsaws brings something unique to the table. If you're looking for the best quality for your money, the Inel Gelc and the Oregon CS1500 are top picks, combining affordability with excellent performance and user-friendly features. The Inel Gelc, with its lightweight design and powerful engine, is perfect for regular use and offers great value. The Oregon CS1500 stands out with its self-sharpening chain, providing continuous cutting power with minimal maintenance. The Husqvarna 122 is a great choice for those seeking a more eco-friendly option without compromising power, ideal for light to medium tasks with its efficient engine and easy start mechanism. For heavy-duty tasks, the Husqvarna 6220FH is ideal for American users, offering raw power and durability with a large fuel tank and anti-vibration system for comfort. Meanwhile, the GreenCut GS62X caters to European needs with its robust build, high power output, and easy maintenance features, perfect for both residential and professional applications. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, there's a chainsaw on this list to fit your needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details or to make a purchase. Transform your outdoor tasks with these incredible tools. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tips. See you in the next video.